All right, so welcome to another edition of Technology. How do you do that? Today I wanted to show you a little bit about how to do some coding in Scratch. A lot of you are working on a project, and let's say that something is not in the right spot when it starts. The reason that is because you have to program it before you get started. So for instance, let's take a look at the A in my last name here. Uh, at the end of all of this, the A ends up all the way over here because of the code that I wrote, which is right here. I have it gliding up to the top, and then it spins and stuff like that, but it gets stuck here. And the next time I hit the flag, it doesn't reset or anything. It just stays right at the top. So we want to fix that. So we have to put a code in there of some kind to reset. So since I already used the green flag, I could program it in here with like a delay of a second where it goes back here and then it does it again. But I just put an R for reset. So over here on the right hand side, when R is pressed, I programmed it to glide back to where it belongs. Now, the glide feature is a great feature that you can use to get your pieces back to where you want them to be. There's also another thing that you could use instead, the go to X and Y, and you can use the coordinates. So math becomes really real here when you are using this program. So to get the coordinates, negative 107, I basically took my mouse and hovered over it, and in the bottom right hand corner of the screen down here, right here, it gives you coordinates. So if you hover over it, it gives you the coordinates you need to plug in there, and then it'll go to the coordinates. So this is how you can get stuff to move on a screen. You can either get it to glide or go directly to it. So let's press R and see what it does. Oh, it goes back to the beginning. All right, so this is how you do a reset instead of having to take it and drag it every time like some of you are doing. That's not the way you code, okay? So you want to be able to reset it. So I just programmed it with an R, but you can program it with any letter or anything that you want. Hit the R, boom, reset, and it goes back to where it should be. And this is another edition of Mr. Mayhew's Technology. How do you do that?